Hi, it's Marcin from Shopstory. Today I want to show you how Magda Butrym, one of our pilot program customers, is using Shopstory to build irregular layouts like this, or that. Those kind of layouts are quite common in luxury, high fashion world, and it's super easy to build them without code and without developers. Let me show you how. Before I start, Shopstory works inside any headless CMS, but for the purpose of this demo, I will use Contentful. Let's open Shopstory. Okay, we can start by building a simple section with two cards. So I'm picking a two cards section, I'm adding some banner cards to each of them and picking images. So for the left one, I might pick this image, and for the right one, maybe this. And what I want is to switch aspect ratio from landscape to natural, so it fits exactly to the aspect ratio of those images. Maybe change the position to background. Okay, so this is starting point, like very simple section. So what if I want to mess around a bit and change the width of each element? So let me pick one element and change its width to, for example, 6. And for the left one, I might want something like 14. And voila, I have irregular section. Very easy. So let's maybe copy this and paste one more time and keep playing with that. So what about the alignment? Now I have two images aligned to the top, but it's very easy to align to center or to the bottom, or make it irregular. So I pick irregular and change the offset to +4, and here I have irregular layout. So that's it. So let's continue. How about skipping those like outer margins? So let's say I want to pick this right photo here and click escape margins, and now it's like to the edge of the browser, while the left image is still keeping the margin. Of course, I can like escape that, but let's leave it like this. All right, so let's copy one more time. What if I want to add some more items here? So for example, some heading, and maybe I want this heading to be below the image. So for the image, the position would be top. Perfect. Change the copy to Zoraya, because this is the name of this bug. And maybe let's go back to slightly more typical align to the center. So pretty cool. What I can also do is change the height of this image to fit the viewport height. So with the aspect ratio, I'm picking like 100% viewport height, and it will always match my viewport height. So let's go further, and maybe I don't want image here. I want a product. So I'm keep picking a product card and picking Zoraya crystals. Maybe do something like this and increase the size. All right, this is quite cool. And what if instead of this image I want a video? It's simple as picking image, changing type to video, picking some video. Again, this is Contentful media picker. So Zoraya crystals, great. And yeah, we have video, maybe escape the margin to the left. It looks really good. And the best thing about all of that is when I switch to phone, everything works automatically with responsiveness. So of course you can fine tune here, but you don't have to. You can go live with auto responsiveness, which is great, I think. So that was a quick intro to irregular layouts. Hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to Twitter or LinkedIn. Also check shopstory.app for some more information about the product, about pilot program, about how to become our customer. Thanks for watching. Bye.